Alright, what's going on, guys? Coming at you with another video. Today, I kind of just want to talk about, this year for you guys. Like, what this year is going to look like, how it should look like, and just the type of mindset that you guys need to have with this fresh start. You see, a lot of you guys are probably looking at with the new year inbound and, upon us now. A lot of you guys are looking at it like new year, new me. Now's the time to start. Now's when the grind begins. And although I can applaud you and that's great that you're starting and that you're actually taking action and moving forward and taking these steps to living the life that you want to live, realistically, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it for you, you should be having this mindset all the time. This shouldn't be a now that it's 2026, I'm going to lock in sort of thing. It shouldn't be like a every January lock in sort of thing. It shouldn't be like a constant cycle of you saying that you're going to do something, do it for maybe a month, and then you quit by March or late February. Like like this new year, new you mindset is good. It's good to have. It's good to get the ball rolling. It's good to get you into whatever it is that you're wanting to do. Go to the gym, business, whatever. But that's not going to keep you there. That mindset alone is not going to keep you in the gym. That mindset alone isn't going to help prepare you for the losses that you're going to take in business. That mindset isn't going to help you when you need to risk everything and put everything on the line for your dreams and your goals. That mindset is merely going to get you in the fucking door. But it's not going to carry you throughout the way. So it's important to kind of distance yourself from the rest of people on the planet. Instead of new year, new me, you should be thinking 2026 is the year that I start. This shouldn't be 2026 is my year. This should be 2026 was the start of my run. You get what I'm saying? 2026. You should be thinking about, when you think about 2026, you should be like, this was the official start of my fucking takeover. This was the start. This was the most important year where I put everything together. This was the year where I understood my true life purpose. That's how you need to be frameworking this year. This year should not be a one and done. You shouldn't be looking at 2026 like it's going to be a good year. You should be looking at 2026 like this year is going to be the year of years and the most important year for my growth and my development and understanding my goals and my visions and stopping at nothing and letting nothing get in between what I want to achieve. And it just so happened to be in 2026. Does that make sense? It just so happened that the year was 2026. Because 2027 is going to roll around, 2028 is going to roll around, 2029 is going to roll around, and every year past that is just going to keep rolling around. So you can either pick two sides. You can pick the side with a bunch of fucking losers that sit here every single year and say that they're gonna do something and only do it for 1 month and fucking jerk off for the other 11 months and don't actually get anywhere in life. Or you can decide that you want to start right now, and that this year, today, really yesterday, but today is going to be that day. You see, it's great for you that 2026 and the years after, or that 2026 is going to be a good year. But really, you should be focused on the years after. Because 2026 should be seen as the stepping stone to the other years. You see, the most successful people on the planet think in decades. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, they all think in decades. They think long term. They think how will the actions and impact today kind of rewrite 10 years from now. And that's how you should be thinking. So instead of like a good 2026, you need to lay out a 5-year plan and say, what's going to get me to where I want to be by 2031? Do you understand? Like, God, I hate when it does that. But like by 2031, where am I going to be? Where do I envision myself in 2031? Ask yourself that. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? And if you don't have an answer for that, then you need to get one before you even start. Before you even touch Spalding, touch grass. You need to understand and have a vision and have a goal of where you're going to be in at least 5 years. So with that being said, I do wish you guys a great year. I wish you guys a very successful year. This year should be the most important year for you guys. It should be. This should be the start of it all. In your lifetime, you should look back on this specific moment in this specific year and be like, damn, this was the year that I started, and this was the defining year of what ultimately changed my life. It's a new year. It's a new you. But it's a new year and a new you in the future. It's a new year for a new you in the future. And this year is going to set the tone. And this year is going to be the defining year where you make shit happen. We're done with the talking. We're done with the vision board. We're done writing things down, right? It is time to pick up your shovels, pick up your buckets, pull yourself by your bootstraps, and get ready for this fucking ride. The year is not over. Even though we're 14 days in, it's not over. If you fucked up on your resolutions, there's still plenty of time, plenty of game time left on the clock. But it is crucial that you don't start this game off slow. Because the opposing team will not give you the benefit of the doubt, if you know what I mean. The opposition, the competition, the people that you're going up against can run away just like that. It's okay. This is a mile, right? This is a mile. 4 quarters, 4 laps in a mile, right? It's okay to start off your mile, you see the Olympians, they start off the mile very slow in the beginning. So that way they can pick it up in the last 2 laps, right? It's okay maybe to start it off a little slow. You still want to go at a quick pace though. It's okay to start off a little slow, but don't go the whole race slow. Because just like those Olympians in the mile, they will pass yo ass quick. And they ain't giving the ball back. Okay? So you should not feel defeated at all right now. This is a perfect time to start. This is a perfect time to take action. This is a perfect time to define the rest of your life. New year, new you, new life, new goals. Make shit